Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Gmail. First, you need to log into your Gmail account. If you want to change your Gmail language, go to the upper right corner, and click Settings. Select See All Settings. Under Gmail Display Language, select your preferred language. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Then just wait for the browser to reload. There you go, your Gmail language has been successfully changed. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. You can leave your comment and suggestions down below. And for more videos, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.